Hi everyone, my name is Ambrose Ebuka. I'm a Forex trader, analyst, also founder of the Amber Academy, speaker and brand ambassador for OctaFX. Guys, it's the Money Moves with OctaFX. I'm super excited about this one because it's another seminar where I get to share my knowledge and experience of the financial market. And this time, I'm doing it alongside Talle Davidson and Ejimi Adegbeye. And these are profound speakers that will share the knowledge and experiences of the financial market.
From strategy sessions to my presentation on trading psychology, we're going to give you all that you need to take your trading to the next level.